Hello students, how's everybody doing? Today we are going to learn how to convert interrogative sentences from direct speech to indirect speech. Let's get started. Now students, here we are going to see the rules of conversion of direct to indirect speech. Today we are going to learn how to convert interrogative sentences, that is the questions. And students, you will be able to learn this topic well if you have gone through my second video on conversion of assertive sentences, because the rules for change in tenses, pronouns and other words are same here, which are already explained in my second video. Now let's see this example. Direct speech. John said to me, comma, inverted comma start, are you a singer? Question mark, inverted comma close. So when we change this into indirect speech, the answer is John asked me if I was a good singer. Now let us see the changes. Number one, the reporting verb said to changes into asked. In assertive sentences, we used to change said to into told, but since this is a question, are you a good singer? So said to changes into asked. John asked me. Now we will remove comma and inverted commas and put the conjunction if. In assertive sentences, we used that. Here we will put if or whether. I will tell you more about conjunctions in my next slide. If I was a good singer. Now students, first thing is said to changes into asked. Then inverted commas and the comma separating the reporting verb and the reported speech is removed. And all general rules for the change in tenses, pronouns, etc. remain the same, which we have already discussed in video 2 for conversion of assertive sentences. And then the question is changed into a statement. That is, question mark is replaced with a full stop. Now students, how do we frame a question? You are a good singer. This is converted into a question. Are you a good singer? What we do? In place of you are, we replace it with are you, and in the end we put question mark. So when you convert this into a statement, we have to remove question mark. It means once again we have to reverse the order of the helping verb and the subject. Are you becomes I was. Because first we will write subject you, that will be converted into I, and are is converted into was, and that will come after the subject. So these are some common changes. Now students, in this slide I'm going to talk about type of questions. Now students, questions or interrogative sentences are of two types, and in both the types the use of conjunction is different. Number one is yes or no type questions. These questions begin with helping verbs like do, does, did, is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had, will, would, shall, should, can, could, may, might, etc. Now students, the questions which start with any of these helping verbs is said to be as yes or no type of question. How? For example, if I ask you, do you like chocolates? What will be your answer? Yes or no. Have you completed your homework? What will you answer? Yes or no. Can you swim? Answer will be yes or no. So that is why the questions beginning with these helping verbs are said to be as yes or no type questions. And students, in yes or no answer type questions, the reported speech is introduced by the conjunction if or whether. यहाँ पर हम कॉमा इन्वर्टेड कॉमा हटा के उसकी जगह दैट नहीं लगाएंगे, इफ या वेदर लगाएंगे. Now let us see this example which we have already discussed. John said to me, comma inverted comma start, are you a good singer? Question mark inverted commas close. So indirect becomes John asked me, said to changes into asked. Then the conjunction used is if I was a good singer, full stop. Now students, here I have used different colors to make you understand the things in a better way. ये कलर देख के आपको पता चल जाएगा कि किस चीज को हमने किस में बदलना है. अब सेड टू ब्लू में है, उसकी जगह आस्क्ड आ गया. कॉमा इन्वर्टेड कॉमा येलो में है, उसकी जगह इफ आ गया. सेम वे जो हेल्पिंग वर्ब है आर, उसकी जगह वॉज आ गया. जो सब्जेक्ट है यू, उसकी जगह पे आई आ गया. क्वेश्चन मार्क हटा के फुल स्टॉप आ गया. नाउ लेट अस सी second type of question, WH questions. So these questions begin with a question word, that is what, where, when, which, why, how, who, whom, whose. Now here all these question words begin with WH excluding how, which starts with H. In WH questions, no conjunction is used. The reported speech is introduced by the given question verb. Let me explain through this example. He said to me, comma inverted comma start, where are you going? Question mark inverted comma close. Now indirect, he said to changes into asked, he asked me. Now we will remove comma and inverted comma, and we are not going to insert any conjunction here. Instead of that, we will simply write the question word where. Of course, this W in where will become small. Where I was going, full stop. So students, this you have to remember that if your question is a yes or no type of question, then we have to use the conjunction if or whether, and if it is a WH question, then no conjunction is used. Now students, here once again I have given you the rules which I have already discussed. In this table you can see the change in tenses. These we are simply going to revise once within 2 minutes, and learning these rules is very simple. इसमें आपको सिर्फ क्या याद रखना है? Is, am, are changes into was were changes into had been, has or have changes into had. Same way in simple present, that is first form of verb changes into second form of verb. So here in present continuous, present perfect, this rule we have already discussed. Present perfect continuous also, has, have is to be changed into had. Then second form of verb changes into had plus third form. In continuous, once again same thing, was or were changes into had been. In future, shall or will changes into should or would. Can changes into could. May into might. Must into had to. So learning these rules simply takes not more than 2 minutes. And now students, here are the rules for the change of pronouns. I have kept this table over here so that you can revise and you can refer to these rules if you have any doubt. Explanation I have already given in my previous video, that is lecture 2. If you want to clear your doubts, you may watch that video again. Now here in this table, words expressing nearness in time and place are generally changed into words expressing distance, like this changes into that, these into those, here into there, and so on. So these you have to remember. Now students, let us see conversion of direct to indirect of yes or no type interrogative sentences. Here I have given you some more examples for your better understanding. Number 1, he said to me, comma inverted comma start, do you play cricket? Question mark inverted comma close. Now students, here you know, when we change affirmative sentence into a question in simple present tense, we introduce do or does. तो ये जो डू और डज है ये सिर्फ क्वेश्चन बनाने के लिए यूज होता है, तो जब हम इसे इनडायरेक्ट में कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो ये डू डज को हमें रिमूव कर देना है. सो ही आस्क्ड मी, remove comma and inverted comma if, and do is also to be omitted here. Now you is a second person. Second person always changes according to the object of reporting verb, that is me, and me in the place of subject becomes I. If I, play is first form of verb, it changes into second form, that is played. He asked me if I played cricket, remove question mark and put full stop. Next example, he said to me, comma, inverted comma, start, are you going there? Question mark, inverted comma, close. Now let's see the changes. He asked me. So said to को हटा के asked लगा दीजिए, comma, inverted comma को remove करके if लगा दीजिए. Now are you becomes I was. If I was going there, full stop. Next example, I said to her, comma, inverted comma, start, have you finished your task? Question mark, inverted commas closed. So I asked her. अब said to को हमेशा asked में change करना है when it is a question. Remove comma, inverted comma, put if. Have you finished your task? Now you is second person. It changes according to the object, that is her. And her in the subject place becomes she. And have changes into had. If she had finished, now your task will become her task. Full stop. He said to me, comma, inverted comma, start, will you have a cup of tea? Question mark, inverted comma, close. So how to change this? He asked me, remove comma, inverted comma and insert if. Now you changes into I because the object is me here, and will changes into would. So will you becomes I would, because we have to bring subject first and helping verb after that. If I would have a cup of tea, full stop. Next one, she said to me, comma, inverted comma, start, can you lend me your calculator? Question mark, inverted comma, close. Indirect, she asked me if I could lend her my calculator. Full stop. Next example, he said to the policeman, comma, inverted comma, start, can I park my car here? Question mark, inverted comma, closed. So indirect, he asks the policeman, remove comma, inverted comma, write if. Now I changes according to the subject. First person changes according to the subject, and subject here is he. So I is converted into he. And after that, could will be shifted after subject. Can changes into could. If he could park, now my car will become his car, since the subject is a man. Here changes into there. Then full stop. I hope after seeing these many examples, you will be able to understand it. Now students, let us see conversion of direct to indirect of WH questions. Example, he said to me, comma, inverted comma, start, where are you going? Question mark, inverted comma, close. So if the reported speech ends with a question mark, are said to changes into asked. He asked me. Now since this is a WH questions, I have told you that we need not use any conjunction over there. After me, we are going to copy this question word, that is where, but this W will become small. He asked me where. Now are you becomes I was going, full stop. Number 2, he said to me, comma, inverted comma, start. When are you going there? Question mark, inverted comma, closed. So now how to convert this? He asked me, copy the question word when with W small. I was going there. Number 3, I said to her, comma, inverted comma, start. Who teaches you English? Question mark, inverted comma, closed. I asked her, who? Now teaches is first form along with SES. It will be converted into second form of verb, that is taught. Who taught her English? Now fourth one, he said to them, comma, inverted comma, start. How were you returning home? Question mark, inverted comma, closed. He asked them, copy the question word how with H small. Now you changes as per object. Object is them. So in place of subject it becomes they. How they had been returning home. Full stop. Number 5. Her mother said, comma, inverted comma, start. What will you have for breakfast? Question mark, inverted comma, closed. So now her mother asked what she would have for breakfast. Full stop. Number 6. He said to her sister, comma, inverted comma, start. How did you fare in the interview? Question mark, inverted comma, closed. So he asked her sister, how? Now did we use in simple past tense and it changes into had plus third form of verb. So how? You will change into she, then had plus third form of verb, how she had fared in the interview. So students, I hope this conversion of interrogative sentences is quite clear and it is not at all difficult. You just need some practice. Now students, here is an exercise. Please change the following sentences into indirect speech. 10 sentences are given and practice it. And answers of these questions will be available in the next video. So please watch my upcoming video for knowing the answers. And now students, in this slide, these are the answers to lecture 2. Hope you would have solved it. Please check your answers here. Students, thank you very much for watching this video. And if you liked this video, please press the like button. And do not forget to press the bell icon after subscribing to my channel for getting the latest updates. Please subscribe, share, comment and like my video. Thank you very much.